Electric vehicles are the future of the automotive industry, and CUPRA has taken a big step forward with the world premiere of their first all-electric SUV coupe, the CUPRA Tavascan. This stunning vehicle was the highlight of the Exponential Impulse event and embodies CUPRA's electrified vision. The CUPRA Tavascan is not just a response to change, but a vehicle that creates it. It represents a new striking design language with athletic and sporty proportions. The interior is a piece of architecture with slim air vents that are almost invisible. The CUPRA Tavascan features DCC Sport dynamic chassis technology, sport suspension, and progressive steering, delivering a unique sporty driving experience. The vehicle is available with two power outputs, 286 PS, 210 kilowatts, and 340 PS, 250 kilowatts, with the higher power output version adding dual-motor all-wheel drive. It can reach 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.6 seconds and has a range of around 341 miles. It can also add an additional 62 miles of range in as little as 7 minutes. The CUPRA Tavascan also features a 15 infotainment system with a newly designed and developed human-machine interface, HMI, and a high-fidelity 12-speaker audio sound system developed in collaboration with Sennheiser. It will be produced at the Volkswagen Group's Anhui factory in China and will be launched in 2024, with a yearly target of more than 70,000 cars sold. The CUPRA Tavascan is a game-changer in the electric vehicle market, and it's no surprise that it's creating a buzz. Stay tuned for its official launch in 2024.